Hi there, in this video we're going to discuss what this icon does. It's called linked selection. I'm going to show you the shortcut version of it, which is probably a little easier. What does it do? Let me show you. Okay, so have you ever wondered what it did? Probably not. Probably never even noticed it was there. What it's there for is when I bring in a bit of footage that has both video and audio, natively or naturally or by default, they're connected. Turn that off and click off, and now they're not. Okay, it's a good way of separating them. Normally I end up dragging things like this tourism in, okay, and it has, for some reason, I've got an audio track that does nothing. So with this off, I can just click on it, delete it, and it's gone. Okay, there is a long way. Why is he showing us the long way? I'm not sure actually. Sequence linked selection, okay, either that or that button. I only know it exists because I've turned it off by accident and it really messed up my project because I couldn't figure out how to turn it back on. Now I know. Okay, what I normally do is just have it on, and what you can do is, see it's on and it selects both of them. Let's undo that, so it selects both of them together. What I normally do is use a shortcut, so hold down the Option key, okay, and it will temporarily disable this. Watch, there you go, hit delete. But you can just turn it off forever depending on the type of project you're using. Maybe there's no need to have them connected. Anyway, that is linked selected. Now we know what that does. Let's get on to the next video.